Giant pandas have long been a symbol of China, as well as a global icon for endangered species conservation. While most people recognize them for their distinctive black and white fur and calm nature, there are many lesser-known facts about pandas that make them truly remarkable. Although pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo, their anatomy tells a different story. They have the digestive system of a carnivore, a simple stomach and short intestine that aren't built for breaking down plant material. That's why they must eat 25 to 85 pounds of bamboo every single day. Panda cubs are born extremely small, weighing just 3 to 5 ounces, about the same as a stick of butter. They are born blind, hairless, and helpless. The mother must care for them constantly. In just a year, that tiny cub becomes a furry, energetic young panda, weighing nearly 100 pounds. Even though they look clumsy, pandas are skilled climbers and strong swimmers. Cubs can start climbing trees within a few months of birth, while pandas are often seen as solitary. Studies show that their home ranges can overlap and that they do tolerate each other at times. They use a variety of sounds to communicate. Bleats that sound like sheep, barks, growls, and even high-pitched chirps. Each sound has its own meaning, from calling for food to saying "stay away." Pandas have existed for millions of years, with fossils dating back to the late Pliocene.